A man hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 while weighing a hog and couldn't stop until 1990. Doctors were baffled, trying everything from hormone therapy to surgery, but nothing worked. Charles' hiccups were so persistent that they reached up to 40 times per minute at their peak. Despite this, he led a relatively normal life, raising a family and even becoming a minor celebrity. His condition remains one of the most puzzling medical mysteries ever recorded. How did he cope? He learned to speak between hiccups and continued his daily activities, showing incredible resilience.